Okay, well, I'm just going to show you really quickly how to download and install import.io. So as you can see, I'm at import.io, so type that into your browser. It's a pretty self-explanatory site, and honestly, it might even help you if you want to check out some of the information here. If it talks about different ways that you can use import, different parts of the value proposition for the software itself. And if you're more technical, you can start to get some information about all the integrations and all these fun things that they offer as well. So for now, click on the download page, and this is going to take you to the download page and automatically start your download. I actually have this downloaded already, so I'm just going to cancel that download. But as you can see, it's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, so that should cover most of you. I'm sure that it'll cover all of you probably, actually. So once you get that downloaded, what you can do is open up the app itself. Here's an example of the app open. It looks, again, just like a browser, just like Chrome might. You're going to log into your account. So let me just enter my details here. Alright, once I'm logged in, it gives me some different options here. One is to create a data set. Now, just to kind of give you a general overview, data sets are just what they sound like. They're sets of data. Now, it can combine multiple pieces of data from different data sources, or it can just be from one data source and be updated as often as you like. So we'll deal more with these here in a little while. When you open up a data set, what you see is very similar to when you open up a spreadsheet. It's going to be rows and columns of data that's been extracted. Data sources are the different ways that import can help you get data out of websites. So the first one is a connector. That's going to allow you to do a search for particular keywords. The second one is an extractor. Now, this is like a single page that continually gets updated, so you might want to do an extractor on the front page of Reddit to see what URLs are getting onto the front page of Reddit every day, or to see if any of your URLs are getting on the front page of Reddit, as an example. A crawler, which is my personal favorite, is used to get data off of multiple similar pages across an entire site. So again, if we use that Yelp example that we talked about earlier in the course, if I go to the Yelp search results and there's 20 pages of search results, I can use a crawler to get all 20 pages of those results. And the reason that's my favorite is because I usually am typically interested in large batches of data that I can take and analyze or use for sales and marketing. So that's specifically why those are my favorite, and they definitely feel the most powerful most of the time. Then they also have a My Data folder here, and this is where all of your data will reside after you've defined your data sources and your data sets. I don't have anything in here yet, but as we go along with the courses, this will certainly fill up. So that's kind of the overview here. In general, there's probably some more other things that you can kind of mess around with and get a feel for, such as labels, etc. But why don't we go ahead and get to the next video where we start using a connector. And so we'll start with a basic connector, and then the video after that we'll do a basic extractor and then a basic crawler, and then we'll start getting into more specific uses for the app on, you know, the famous sites we've been talking about, Yelp, Reddit, and these different places. So until next time,